Friday the 5th of March 2021. Gold Coast Queensland Australia. Doing an update here at Dreamworld for the new launcher HYPERCOASTER being built here at Dreamworld. The groundwork's got to be done first. The pylons have been put into place, and now we just got to wait for the groundwork to be done, and then the launcher HYPERCOASTER can go up. So welcome to Bungee Mark's channel. You only find this on my channel, nobody else's, because I've been videoing this from day one. I've been doing HYPERCOASTER rides on the Joker Coaster over at Movie World for 12 months and 25 days, and I've completed 2,525 rides, all time recorded live on my timeline. And when this is open in late December 2021, we're going to come and do 1,000 in 6 months if we can do it. I'm now on 3,528 kilometres on a 1.4 kilometre track at Movie World. All my rides are recorded, 2,525 rides. We're going back to Movie World now, and we'll see you at Movie World for 2,526. That's 12 months and 26 days riding. This is Dreamworld construction site of the new launcher HYPERCOASTER getting built. Don't forget Planet 7X is in the sky. A lot of work involved. Definitely. A lot of work involved. Down there looks like that could be excavated out for the construction for the platform. So it looks like the platform could be over here. Yeah, right. For the launcher taking off. Okay, so take it easy. They've got them all into place now. We're just going to have to wait and be patient. We know where the next pylon's going. You'd be surprised what you can do with your mind. No one will have these videos and no one will have these photos of this all being built with intelligent minds. So thank you all for watching. The Dreamworld launcher HYPERCOASTER ready in December 2021. And I'll see you back at Movie World for HYPERCOASTER ride 2,526. It'd be interesting to know what that there is. To me, that looks like it's been dug out in a cavity. It looks like that it could be where the platform will be. It could be where the HYPERCOASTER gates will be in the future. Who knows? Let's just see if I'm right or wrong. 9 out of 10, it looks like HYPERCOASTER platform. Very interesting. Then again, I could be completely wrong. It could be for the drains. Exactly.